Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake at home without cream cheese. First, let's prepare our crust. Crush about 1 1/2 cups of graham crackers into fine crumbs. Mix these crumbs with 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. Make sure to line the bottom with parchment paper first for easy removal. Now let's create that wonderfully creamy filling. In a large bowl, combine 24 ounces of whole milk ricotta cheese with 8 ounces of full-fat sour cream. Ensure both are at room temperature for a smoother batter. Gradually beat in 3 large eggs, one at a time, mixing until just combined. Then, stir in 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and the zest of 1 lemon for a bright flavor. Carefully pour your creamy filling into the prepared crust, smoothing the top. Place the springform pan into a larger roasting pan. Pour hot water into the roasting pan, reaching about 1 inch up the sides. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 75 minutes, until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. Turn off the oven and let it cool with the door ajar for 1 hour. After cooling in the oven, remove the cheesecake and let it come to room temperature on a wire rack. Once completely cool, cover it loosely and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or ideally overnight. This chilling time is crucial for the cheesecake to set properly and develop its full flavor and texture. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edge before releasing the springform. Garnish with fresh berries or a fruit compote. Also, check the description for a fantastic book recommendation and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.